are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause
Hello, my beautiful YouTubers. Welcome back to Julie Jules World. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'm going to bring you the DIY fabric mini gift pouch. This is so cute. So let's go ahead and get into our tutorial. So you're going to need your two outer fabric and get your two inner facing. I turn it over on the opposite side. I did mine ahead of time, but put that inner facing in the back. Okay, so once you finish ironing your inner facing on, you turn it back over, flip one of the fabric on the opposite side, let both of the fabrics face each other on the right side together to sew all the way down, about 1 centimeter seam allowance. You now have the sides sewn. Just gonna press the center down. You can iron this down if you want to have that laying a little flatter. You can get your webbing because we're gonna be placing our handles at the top here and at the bottom here as well. From the corner here, we're gonna mark over 4 centimeters over. The other corner, we're gonna mark 4 centimeters. Do the same thing for the bottom. Place those two handles right. The line is right here. You're gonna place it inside. You can pin that in place. Do the same thing for the other side as well. You're gonna sew right here, right here, right here, and right here. You should now have this sewn on here. The next step, we're gonna grab our other fabric, folding this over, sure it's centered, marking these two corners. The side, you're gonna mark 2 centimeters up. Okay, you do the same thing for the other side. And then over, you're gonna mark 3 centimeters over. Centimeters over. We're gonna draw that line out. Okay, it should now look like that. Cut that out. We're gonna bring this over and we're gonna lay this on top of here. And these two should be right side facing together. Put that in place. Go to machine and we're gonna sew all the way across and down here. You now have it sewn, the top, the bottom. So now we fold this in half. Match these two up. Make sure pin that in place and do the same thing for the other side. And we're going to be marking these two corners here. 3 centimeters up. 3 centimeters up as well. I'm going to draw a line. Okay, it should now look like that. Same thing for the other side. And so with those two lines, we're gonna open it up like that. The lines, just fold it. You fold both of these. Okay, and once you finish pressing both of those lines down, you're gonna fold it in half. And I'm gonna fold that in half as well. And then you're gonna pin that in place. We're going to be leaving a gap right here. We're going to mark about a 6 centimeter gap. Okay, so here. And you're going to be, if you want, you can mark this all the way around 1 centimeter for seam allowance. Just to get that straight line. It's up to you. You're going to sew right here, stop at that line, and then come right over here and start sewing all the way down. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side. You're going to sew all the way down, even that gap right here. Okay, you should now have it all sewn from here, and then the gap right here. Sew all the way down, and then the other corner as well. Seal these corners. So you're gonna fold these, pin that in place. We'll do the same thing for the other side. We're gonna sew straight over. Do the same thing for this other side as well. 1 centimeter seam allowance. Okay, you should now have it sewn both sides, and so now we're gonna turn this inside out. You're gonna go to the machine and sew the gap up. Okay, you should now have it sewn. And you're gonna tuck that in, iron this down, flatten this all the way down. You're gonna take it to the machine and we're gonna sew all the way around. Okay, you're gonna go all the way around. You now have it sewn all the way around. We're gonna put our buttons on here. We're gonna place a button right in the center here, about 1 centimeter. You're gonna drop down and place your buttons. Mark it there, and then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. 1 centimeter down, mark it. Not to mention, you're gonna need an owl. Okay, and then you're gonna put your button, place your buttons. You're gonna get your other button. All right, you should have your buttons in place now, both sides, and now you are finished. Good. Stuffed a whole bunch of things inside of here, candle, lotion, and all that stuff. It's so cute. These are beautiful. Look how pretty they are. These are super cute. I love them. That's it for our tutorial, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and thumbs up this video, and please share. You will definitely see me in my next video. Bye bye, YouTubers.